fitting there. So there you go. All the rest of it in now is sharpen it and tidy up the handle a bit. I'll take that tape off. I was trying to protect the handle when I was cleaning up the axe head. So it's gone from a rusty wreck to reasonable. I didn't want to destroy this too much. You can see USA here, but I can't read the rest of it. I don't know if you guys can, but if anyone's got any ideas where it was made, well, in the USA somewhere, but by whom, that would be cool if you could tell me. So it's not just a cheap one, it's probably quite an expensive hatchet. That'll teach me for leaving it out in the shed out the back with all the chemicals, and it really pitted it. You know, some of the rust is about 3 to 4 mil deep, so there's still little bits I just couldn't get out because I was creating hollows in there, right here, and I didn't want to waste that too much. You know, there's little bits pitting everywhere, but all in all, came out quite well. Let's wrap this hatchet video up. I've decided I'm going to make my own stain, and with these ingredients: some raw linseed oil, for the tips, and some black paint. Black oil-based artist paint is one of the remnants of when I was trying to be an artist, and as you can see, I was lacking one quite important ingredient, and that was talent. So anyway, we'll carry on with this staining of the handle on this hatchet. Now the timber is a really fine grain. I'm picking it's probably hickory or something, but man, I don't know if it'll take a stain, but we'll give it a go anyway. See what happens. Get the mixture going of my homemade stain. Okay, first up we'll just put a little bit of black paint in there. Probably that should do it. Maybe about that much. Very little. Some linseed oil. Don't need much of that either. About that much. I don't know if that'll mix with it. Oh yeah. Maybe I'll just thin it out a fraction with some tips. Okay, mix that up. Yes, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, no, it's turned grey. The tips has made it turn grey. Never mind. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Now it's coming back to black. Coming back to black. Wow, look at that. So hold on. Okay, I've got my gloves on. I've got a bit of cloth here. We'll get the hatchet handle and proceed. See how it goes. A little bit of stain. And here we go again. Look at that. This timber is very, very fine grained. Beautiful timber actually. Ow. So that's not looking too bad. I might just leave that, I'll do the end. Leave that now for a while and see how it dries and how long it's going to take. Probably take ages to dry. So what do you think? Yep, so we'll call that a weasel. There we are, 2B people. Sort of restored the hatchet and well, polished it up. And it looks way better than it did when I retrieved it from the shed out the back. So all I have to do now is find someone that needs to chop some wood.